Hi first graders, so today we're going to be talking about coins and we're especially going to be talking about quarters. So this is what a quarter looks like, and a quarter, if you remember, is worth 25 cents. So here's my quarter, and underneath it I'm going to write 25 cents. Okay, then we have a couple other coins here that we've learned about. Our next one is a dime. Here's what a dime looks like. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So the quarter is worth the most, and then the second would be a dime worth 10 cents. And then our next one would be a nickel. So this is a nickel. And a nickel is worth half of what a dime is worth, and it is worth 5 cents. And our last one is a penny, and I think you guys all remember a penny. And a penny is worth the least amount, and it's the one that looks the most different too. And a penny is worth 1 cent. These are my different coins. I have one that's worth, the quarter is worth 25 cents, the dime is worth 10 cents, the nickel is worth 5 cents, and the penny is worth 1 cent. We're going to be talking about those different coins today, and we're especially going to talk about quarters. So first of all, we're going to practice counting with our quarters. So a quarter, I'm just going to put some here, is worth 25 cents. So we have to actually count by 25. So we can, I'm going to show you what that would look like if we were to add it here on the side. So if we have 1, that's 25, plus 2, so that'd be plus another 25. So let's start with those. So 5 plus 5 is 10. I carry the 1 up here. 2 plus 2 is 4. Add 1 more, and that is 5. So right here is 50 cents. That'd be half a dollar, it's 50 cents. So I'm going to keep adding. So I know that I have 50 cents, and so we could think, instead of having to add another 25 and another 25, if I know that 2 quarters right here is 50 cents, and I have another 2 quarters for 50 cents, I could just add 50 plus 50. $50 plus 50. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I actually have 100 cents right here. And 100 cents is equal to $1. So we could say $1, or we could say 100 cents. But right here I have $1 when I have these 4 quarters. So that's how we would count our quarters. You would count them by counting by 25s. It's our biggest amount. We're going to practice some other counting here. So let's say I have this pile of coins, and I have this pile of coins, and I have this pile of coins, and this. So we're going to count these different amounts because these piles look very different. They have different coins in them, and so we're going to practice adding them. So we'll start with this one here in the corner. So this is a dime, another dime, and a nickel. So a dime is 10, another dime, so another 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and then a nickel is 5. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 5, so 25. So this would be 25 cents. Over here in the corner. So let's go over here. These are a bunch of nickels, it looks like. And nickel is worth 5 cents, so we can count by 5s to solve this one. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's it. So 25 cents. 25 cents. Okay, so let's come down here to this stack of pennies. There's a lot here. So pennies, remember we count by ones. So we're just going to count each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's all I have. So this is also 25 cents, even though it looks like a lot because there's so many coins, it's also 25 cents. 25 cents. And then I just have one here, and we just learned that a quarter is worth 25 cents as well. So I just have to count the one, so this is 25 cents by itself. So this is a good example about how we can add different coins together to get the same amount. So even though there's only one coin here, and there's 5 here, and there's 3 here, and there's 25 here, each of these piles is worth the same amount. And it also shows the importance of a quarter, because if we had to pay for everything to get to 25 cents with this many pennies or even this many nickels or combining dimes and nickels, it would take a lot longer than just having one quarter. But let's see if we can figure out if we add all of this together. This is a lot of counting. We just did something similar. So if I have 25 plus 25, so it's like having 2 quarters, it would be 50. Plus another 25 would be 75. So we went, I'll show you up here. 25, and then we went and added another 25 cents, and that equals 50 cents. And then when you have 50 cents and you add another 25 cents, that equals 75 cents. And then we have one more right here. So 75 plus 25 would once again be 100 cents, or you could say $1. So all of these coins together would be 100 cents or $1. I'm just going to go over a reminder again that a quarter is worth 25 cents, and that we are going to count by 25s if we're going to use it. So 4 of these would be equal to $1. 4 of these would be equal to $1. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 100 cents. And then the next coin that costs the most would be a dime, and that's 10 cents. And so we would need 10 of these to get to $1. So we would count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then the next one with the highest amount would be a nickel, and that's worth 5 cents. And so we would need 20 of these to get to $1. So we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. And our last one and our smallest one is a penny, and that's just 1. And so if we had to get to 100 cents, which is $1, we would need 100 of these. And yeah, so those are our different coins, and especially those are how we would count our quarters.